Let us briefly talk about the EU AI Act today, a European Union risk-based approach towards regulating AI. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy, data governance, artificial intelligence. We are going to talk today about European Union Artificial Intelligence Act. What is this act? It lays down the specifications of how you should regulate, which in a way you can say how you should utilize the AI services, the boundaries around the AI services. Risk-based regulation protects people and society and applies across the life cycle of artificial intelligence. So it is not restricted to initial deployment, initial framework. It is restricted or it is expanded to the entire life cycle, which would include regular updates, upgrades, add-on tools in the AI utilization for the organization. The four major categories that the regulation has made is to drop down or jot down the risks that you have in your organization under four categories. Unacceptable risk, that means it has to be cured before starting using. High risk, you can mitigate it maybe a bit later, but it has to be on the top priority because the risk is very high or high. Medium risk, yes, you can think about it, take some time. Low risk, it is there, not much of a risk. You can mitigate it over a period of time. The high risk systems are the ones that have strict regulatory obligations. The risk management is required over there and the human oversight is expected. That's something which is very important. With human oversight, you not only look into whether there are security vulnerabilities and breaches, you also look into the quality of decision making that the artificial intelligence is doing for you. And of course, a high risk system should be very well documented and regularly monitored to ensure that the systems are working the way they are supposed to work. Transparency requirement, you should inform the affected users if in case you believe that there is some issue with the way artificial intelligence is working in your organization. You should label the interactions that have happened with respect to artificial intelligence. You should support only informed decisions. Right? Why? It just forces that you should take decisions and you should know that you are living with a risk. What is the risk? How would it be mitigated? How much time it would take is a separate issue, but at least you know that you are living with a risk and your information or your interaction with your users should support the fact that you have taken an informed decision, and all this would help you improve the trust in the organization as well as organization's AI capabilities. With respect to ISO standards, EU Act is a legal requirement and supports the implementation of artificial intelligence. The governance standards created strengthen compliance, and there are complementary approaches also that can be done just to make sure that you are compliant with the European Union Artificial Intelligence Standard. Not applicable for India, but one of the very important global standards for artificial intelligence usage. Key takeaways, it's the first comprehensive artificial intelligence law which is based on the risk. It protects individuals and it complements AI governance, and that's something which is most important. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.